Hello everyone, welcome to Bright Talks in the Garden. Here, surrounded by the calming sounds of nature, we take a moment to pause, to reflect, and to gently grow together. I'm Eka, and today's episode is a special message for anyone learning English. You are allowed to make mistakes, in fact, you should. Look around you at the plants, the trees, the flowers. They don't rush, they don't force perfection. A tree doesn't worry if one of its leaves turns yellow. It simply keeps growing. A flower doesn't bloom out of fear. It blooms when the time is right. And so should you. Learning a language, any language, is just like growing something from a seed. It takes time, it takes care, and yes, it takes mistakes. Have you ever tried to speak English and said the wrong word? Have you ever written a sentence only to realize the grammar was off? Have you ever stayed silent because you were afraid of being wrong? I have. We all have. Here's the truth. Mistakes are not the opposite of learning. They are part of it. When a child learns to walk, they fall. When a bird learns to fly, it stumbles in the air. But no one tells them to stop trying. So, why are we so hard on ourselves when we mispronounce a word in English? Why do we feel embarrassed when we don't speak fluently? Each mistake is a message. You are trying, you are brave, and you are growing. It might feel uncomfortable like the rain soaking the ground, but without that rain, nothing new would grow. Somewhere along the way, many of us started thinking that speaking a language is about getting everything right, but it's not. Language is about expressing yourself. It's about connection, not perfection. It's about lagging when you say something silly and learning from it. Do you think native speakers never make mistakes? They do, all the time. They mix up tenses, forget words, and break grammar rules in everyday conversation. So, don't compare your beginning to someone else's fluency. You are not behind, you are on your path. Think about where you started. Maybe back then, you couldn't say a full sentence. Maybe you are afraid to read out loud. Maybe you didn't understand a single word in a movie. And now, you've learned so much more than you give yourself credit for. Every word you've spoken, every sentence you've written, every mistake you've made, they are part of your progress. They are proof that you show up, that you didn't give up, that you are still learning, and that's powerful. So, let this be your gentle reminder. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to forget words. It's okay to feel uncertain. Because every time you try again, even after failing, you are building something beautiful. You are creating roots. You are growing, just like the plants in the garden. You bloom when you are ready. So keep going, keep practicing, keep making beautiful mistakes. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with me here at Bright Talks in the Garden. I am Eka, and I believe in your journey, every messy, beautiful, brave part of it. Until next time, keep blooming in your own time and in your own way.